comes to calming your nerves during an interview, a bit of prep can work wonders. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 3 most effective strategies to handle nervousness and anxiety if you experience any, and how to sound more confident during an interview. Plus, stay tuned until the end for a very practical bonus tip. Before we get any further, for those who don't know me, I'm Nikita, a SHRM certified HR. I have over 15 years of experience in hiring professionals. In Recruitment Insights, I'm passionate about helping other recruiters and job seekers in reaching their professional goals. If you would like to get access to my previous lessons on job searching, interviewing, or recruiting strategies, you can get all of that at therecruitmentinsights.com. While you are there, you can also download a free actionable checklist for hiring quality talents and also get a free ready-to-use resume template to level up your career. With that said, let's get started. First strategy. Before an interview, think about the most common interview questions related to your role that you could be asked. Be prepared with some real-life examples to discuss. For instance, the interviewer could ask you questions related to any recent success. Share one you have had recently. Even small improvements in your processes count as wins. Share your story and explain how you achieved it. Next, the second strategy is be prepared with curveball questions. These are unexpected or challenging questions that can be asked to gauge your adaptability or critical thinking. If faced with such questions, I would recommend buying yourself some time by rephrasing an interviewer's question or asking for more clarity. Use the SARL technique to respond to such questions. If you already don't know what SARL technique is, I have already talked about it in my previous video. I'll put the link in the description below. You can watch it later. Just to explain you briefly what this term is all about, it is an acronym that I created, where S describes situation, A is for actions you took or would take in that situation, R is for the result came out of that action, and L is for learning you gained out of it. Use this technique to articulate your answers really well, and this way you can avoid being long-winded. Moving on to the third strategy, don't forget to research the company and the interview beforehand, and you can do so by visiting the company's website or their LinkedIn page, and you can also look at the interviewer's profile over the LinkedIn. This will definitely boost your confidence before you talk to them. Plus, gain some more insights about the interview's focus from your recruiter. Candidates ask me all the time, so this is a normal practice. You can ask them without any hesitation. This will boost your confidence and reduce stress. Prepare along those lines, but be ready for unexpected questions. And now you know how to manage such unexpected questions by using the same technique that we just discussed. This led me to talk about the bonus tip. You should never rush to answer your interview's question. Take pauses between your responses to stay in control of what you say. When you talk fast, you tend to fumble and lose your train of thoughts, and this can deter your confidence. Speaking fast doesn't show confidence. Rather, articulating your thoughts with clarity at a moderate rate of speech makes you sound more professional and confident. Now I'd like to hear from you. What are the strategies you can think of to reduce stress and sound more confident during interviews? Share your thoughts in the comments below. It's a great way to learn from each other. Also, if you enjoyed this session, please give a thumbs up here on YouTube. That would motivate me to keep making such videos. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you will never miss any of my future uploads. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.